Out here on North Main Street in Porterville, California, a rare opportunity stretches across 23.5 acres. 4 contiguous parcels, level to gently rolling, right on a paved road. Visibility and access you don't see every day. This land isn't just open space, it's a canvas. Residential neighborhoods, commercial centers, mixed-use developments. The scale and flexibility are yours to shape. The groundwork is ready. Terrain that's easy to build on, utilities nearby, and a community that's growing steadily around it. Location matters, and this property delivers. Minutes from downtown, close to schools, shopping, healthcare, and major roads. Built-in infrastructure that accelerates development and supports long-term value. Opportunities like this don't come often. 4 parcels of this size, together in the heart of a thriving Central Valley city. For developers, builders, or investors ready to plant a flag, this is more than land. It's a foundation, a chance to shape a part of Porterville for years to come.